Hello and welcome. In this activity, we're going to manage users and groups by using the Local Users and Groups MMC snap-in. So to do that, you're going to select on the Start menu, right-click on Computer, and select Manage. From here, we're going to select the local users and groups. Select the users, and then as you can see we have administrator, Bob, guest, Susan, and my own personal Wolverine. From here, let's go ahead and create a new user. So to do that, we're going to right click on users and say new user. So let's go ahead and name this one Jacob Smith. And then in the full name, Jacob Smith as well. Now we don't really need to have a description, but let's go ahead and give him a password. And for this one, let's just type in password. And we'll confirm it. And then as you can see, user must change password at next login, which is a good way to have it set up so that way when you create a user account and then the first time that they log in, you can give them that password, whatever you create, and then they can change it from there. So that way they don't have to worry about that, even though you do have administrative rights. So let's go ahead and leave that as it is and create. Next, we're going to go ahead and close. You'll also notice that there's a Groups tab. And in the groups you have administrators and backup operators and so on and so forth. What we're going to do is we're going to create a new group. So right click on Groups and select New Group. For this one, let's call this Test Group. And we'll go ahead and just say Add. Now let's go ahead and say that we want Jacob Smith in here. So in the object types, we of course have users selected. And let's go ahead and type in Jacob Smith here. And then check names. And it finds it. And then we say OK. And now Jacob Smith is added to the test group. Now let's go ahead and close out of here. Sorry, first we're going to click Create and then Close. And as you can see, test group is shown up here. Now let's go ahead and select users again. And then we're going to right click on Jacob Smith and select Properties. Now from here we can select the member of, and you can see it's underneath the member of test group and users. Now let's go ahead and cancel, and we'll go ahead and close out of this. And now let's switch over to Jacob Smith user account. Type in password. And then you notice how it says the user's password must be changed before logging on for the first time. And that's good. So let's go ahead and select OK. And our new password, let's just go ahead and try password 2. Make it simple. And then confirm it. And then it'll change the password. Shows you that it's been changed. OK. Now it's going to go ahead and log into it. And once it's done, we're going to go ahead and log off. And that is the basis of that. And thanks for watching.